my screen cut off once again. So sorry for that. Okay, so we are creating a fountain. If you guys can't hear, getting the blocks, and we're doing that. Okay, so let's go build the fountain quickly. We're gonna need. Should we just do it out of glass, guys? I think we should. Okay, let's wait. God long. Oops. Didn't mean to do that. Okay, let's replant this. Okay. So, let's go start taking down the well. We are gonna be using the water in here, because why wouldn't we? Oh no. I forgot that. It's okay. There we go. Okay, our pickaxe just broke. Let's go back and get our new one that I just made. So sorry about the keep on cutting thing through my stream. Yeah, so what we did is we got resources and stuff, and we made a storing system, and that's pretty much it. So, yeah. That's a good amount. Tools this way. Here we go. Okay, let's head over here. Just be really careful where we place this. Here. So, just take down this. Just gonna take all this down. The bell, we're gonna have that on top of the fountain. I think that would be a really good idea. Make sure you guys go subscribe to my YouTube channel. So if you guys are watching this on YouTube, because I'll upload it on YouTube, make sure you guys go down below and subscribe there too. So yeah. Okay, so we are pretty far now. I'll probably do all of this and then build up, so then I don't get caught in this, or like right here would be good to go around. So let's finish mining all of this and place the grass down. This. Okay, we're gonna need more glass. And it's nighttime, so let's go to sleep so no villager dies. I mean, it doesn't matter, but we want the librarian to stay alive so we can get some good trades off of them. That was a pretty intense fight. Yeah. One second. Okay, there are I'll update that so then lots of people can join, because we're probably gonna have lots of people. Okay. Now you solve the glass has gotten, I don't know, smelt. I guess all the sand got smelt into glass. It should be enough, I'm guessing. Probably. Okay, so I'm gonna build it like, oops. That, and go this, go this, go like that. And like that. Go backwards and then do that. We'll do that on each side. Three. There we go. Okay, we almost went one too high. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Bop. And Map. Okay. How do you craft a bell? Can you even craft a bell? I don't know if you can. I don't know if this looks like a waterfall yet. I don't know. Doesn't really. So, do that. I have a really good idea to connect it. Okay, we'll go one more higher on here. This one. Go this high. Go like that. And then the bell can go here, I guess. Okay. Now we just need water. And I think that should work. Let me see. If we place there. We're gonna need something like this to go around. We're gonna need to get rid of this too. Okay, we should be done here. We just need a bucket, which I have enough iron to do that. Iron. Okay, we need a bucket. Okay. Let's head to wherever. Look at how bad that is. Okay. Oh, wait. We need to do this side. Is that a cool design? I don't know. Does that look cool or does that look stupid? That kind of looks stupid. That did not come out as I thought, but it did. It was a well, which allows us literally four blocks of literally this, which that's hard to make a fountain. So I'm actually pretty happy with that. There's the bell. All we need now is just find to call it. What should we go and call it? Make sure you guys do that in the live chat too. So say what we should call it, and we can call it that. So. You guys are saying the spirit fountain. The lightning fountain. Lightning fountain's good. Do L for lightning, do S for spirit fountain. I'm seeing more lightning fountain. There is. It's like close, I don't know. That spirit lightning fountain? You guys are saying sure? Okay, remember that you guys named this. Okay, spirit. So how do you spell spirit? Spirit. Oh, lightning sphere. Lightning. Spear. This is really tough spelling. Spear. Yep, there we go. I think that how you spell spear. I don't know. I know how lightning goes. Of course, my channel. I type it in. Yeah, I think that's how to spell spirit. So there's the lightning spirit fountain. Everybody, you guys named it. It's gonna be named that forever now. Now, I want to. What do I want to do? Let's go kill some cows. I thought that was a cow. It looked like one that's a leather. Oh wait, actually, I know where leather is. We need leather. That's what I want. I want to make item frames. So there are 2 leather houses here. So, and I left the leather because honestly I don't want leather. In here. But now I actually do to make item frames so we can do the sorting system. Yay! We'll get rails and stuff soon too, hopefully. So one of the person that is joining might find correct. Probably will give us it to us. We're the owner. They can do. I can tell them whatever I want them to do. Just kidding. But yeah, I'll probably have go on adventures. I might even go on adventures. So okay. We need to make item frames. We need to do item frame. Okay, so more sticks. You have 2 item frames. You need more than that. I think that's enough. 5 item frames is enough. So right here is gonna be food. Let's crouch. Food. This is valuables. I'll just put a piece of iron in there. This is tools, so I'll just put my broken axe in there for right now. And this is a red block, so I'll just put like glass block, I guess. Right there, so glass block, and we have one more. Can go right here, I guess. I don't know if you can put it. Can you? There you go. No, I don't want it on the ceiling. Okay, let's put it right here. There we go. I'll put that there. We'll put some food there. Just to make it look cool. There we go. Oh wait, no, we can't have it here, because this is where the secret passage is gonna go, so. Here we go. Okay guys, what should we build next? What are your thoughts? Hold up. Some stuff. Oh, okay. What are your thoughts, guys? What should we build next? Right here. Should we go exploring? Should we? No. Mine. I'm thinking exploring. Let's go over here. If you guys want me to do something else, go in the live chat. Say it. Hold on, have Viber. Okay, that's not enough food, but okay, Alex, do it. Deal with it for right now. Okay, which way, guys? Left or right? Do it. L for left, R for right. And I think I just drowned down there. Lots of you are saying left. I'm gonna go left then. This way. So let's go over here to this big mountain. Let's go over here. Let's go like right here. And see if we can find anything interesting. Bye. I ran out of food. I hope that we find food soon. So, ooh, pig. I'm sorry, pig. I'm gonna have to kill you with food right here. Where did you go, pig? Pig? The pig just did the pig just despawn? Oh no! Oh shoot! Nice mutton. Ooh, 2 pigs, nice. Okay. Alright. Hi, chicken. I think we should go down here. Dude, baby pig. That's cool. Nothing. A cat. Should we take him on? We should get fine, we can spawn into the ocean. But it disappeared. That worries me. Let's head this way. Did we come from this way? I feel like, yeah, we did. We just looped. Let's go down there, but we don't need coal. Cool. Okay, so the sun is setting, so I guess we should head back. It's down there. Yeah, it's down there. We gotta hurry. I'm pretty sure our home is down there. Gotta hurry. I don't feel like being out in open desert in the middle and at the night, which is up at night. Okay. Take all the food that we have. Oh no. Run! Oh my gosh, there's so many mobs here. Ah! I'm pretty sure I'm right up this hill. No. No, that's so mean. No, we're gonna die. Let's just die. We don't even have anything going on us. Pretty sure this was home. Okay. We died. We didn't even find anything good, so yeah. Just go to sleep, I guess. Hi, creeper, can you explode? Okay, I'm just wasting. Okay, so I don't know what to do next, guys. Comment in the live chat what we should do. Just gonna go collect resources so we have like an unlimited supply of food and supplies. Ooh, an egg. We could cook it. Imagine if you could actually do that. That would be really cool that you can cook eggs. And like make scrambled eggs. That would be weird but really cool. Okay, let's change this out for an egg. There we go. Okay, we'll just craft some stuff. Craft lots of wheat. Nice, now we can make bread. Great bread. Okay, we have 54 pieces of bread. That's really good. So now we have a really large supply. I'm gonna be back as I'm going to Guys, just went to the bathroom. So, yeah. Anyway, so what should we do? Got a random crafting table. We should take that down because that looks weird and funny. I'll just make unlimited supply of food, so. Let's do this. Ooh, let's cut found with a trident. So yeah. That's weird. What? Do you have that shell? Goodness, back out. I should back up and hope I don't die. Just gonna do this and go to sleep. Or not. Okay, let's create wheat. There we go, we got a nice supply of food in here. Let's go trade one of the villagers. Got 10 emeralds. Go to the left. I don't know. Is there anyone in here? No. Is there anyone in here? No. Is there anyone here? Yes. Hello, everyone. Ooh. Yeah, I don't have like. Nice. Thank you. Here we go. Alright, I died, so that's really good because now I have chance. Okay, so I think we got that's done. If my stream didn't keep on cutting, I'll probably have lots more. But I don't know how much time I have. And so, yeah, thank you guys for watching today. I had a really hard time filming this, so it would be great if you're watching on YouTube. Which this is going up right now. Please subscribe and like. Be very appreciated. And if you're on stream right now with me, and thank you for coming. And so yeah, I think we did pretty good today on the Lightning SMP. So we got lots of work done. So I think that what we should do is next episode, you guys can comment down below on YouTube what we should do. So yeah, I think that would be good that you guys comment down below, like what we should do. Like, should we make a castle or something? I'm giving like examples for you guys. So yeah, so just tell me what you guys are gonna do and what you guys want me to do, and I'll do it. So I hope you guys had a great day with me. Like and subscribe if you're on YouTube. Thank you guys for who are on stream with me. We'll stream this on YouTube too soon. So you guys can have it. I probably will stream this on stream. I mean YouTube for you guys too. This episode. So if you see it as a stream or premiere, which I kind of say that stream, because it kind of is. Yeah, that's right. So it probably will go today or tomorrow, probably tomorrow. But I might not even put this as a stream. So if you guys don't see this as a stream, expect that actually. But anyway, I'll probably stream other things like I don't know when for YouTube for this soon. And yeah, so hope you guys had a great day with me. Thank you for watching. I had a really tough time recording this, so as you know, it kept cutting out, but we got 43 minutes done, so took longer, but yeah. So thank you guys for watching build stuff and the second episode of the Lightning SMP. Anyway, see you guys.